What the heaven? If there's one thing that was made very clear during our royal tour of the Nine Circles, it's that hell is not working.
Not working in what way?
For starters, too many souls suffering for no reason.
Overcrowding could easily be solved by, say, annexing the mortal realm into a new 10th circle.
Babe, again, it's not happening.
Of course, Greendale would be exempt, my lady.
New rule. One soul in, one soul out. For every new sinner, we release one of the souls burning down here for lame stuff, like eating shellfish or wearing polyester. We gotta let them go.
By the by, where is Lilith? Sacred vessel of my unholy seed. Where did you say she'd gone, Lord of Flies?
Billy? Lizzie?
Where are we?
Shall we skin them alive and sup on their flesh, my queen?
Sabrina? What is going on?
Nothing, Lizzie. I promise. I am just gonna go ahead and wipe your memory of the last 60 seconds and send you back home, okay?
Oh, there you are. Where'd you go? Doesn't matter. Don't answer it. There we are. Drink your milkshakes before they melt.